Right, top tip, quick tip. I'm going to show you how to get this bend in your hair really quickly with a pair of GHDs or straighteners, whatever you've got. Right, so make sure they're on hot, obviously. And then just, we're not going to bother underneath, so we're cheating, okay? We're just going to do the top 2 sections. So what I do is I move that first section out of the way, put it over there, and I'll show you what you do. Right, so don't get too big a sections. That's the lesson. You do it too big, it won't wave properly and neatly, okay? So look, about that big, all right? And all you do is you put it over, we're going to put it over the top, then I'm going to hold it with 2 hands, and I'm going to go out and in, right? Doobie, 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 doobie. Right, so I'm going to go like that, and I'm going to go out and in, out and in. If it was long enough, see? Do, 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 do. Right, let's do another one. Start with the out first, so it's like lifts over, right? So you go like that, hold this side, out and in, yep. And then you do that all the way around, just this section. All that underneath, haven't touched it. Out and in, if your head's longer. Right, so you do that all the way around. Then you drop this one, and then you do the same with this section. Always put your fringe out the way, do your fringe last. So small sections, remember. And you go out and in and out. But I haven't got an out there because my hair's not long enough. Again here, clamp, out and in and out. Okay? I'm going to hear you. You've all got to show me your videos of saying out and in and out. Ready? Out and in and out. And as I'm going out and in, I'm dragging it through my hair. So I'm not stopping in any places, or you'll get that ridge. And then when you get around to your fringe, you can do what you want with it. You can blow dry it straight, you can curl it. I just like mine kind of flicked out, so I just clamp it down and kind of just whoosh, like that. Yeah, both sides. See that side a bit better. Just whoosh, like that. So remember, out and in. Don't bother doing all the underneath. Just do the top 2 layers. Gives you a really quick flick. Well, like a quick flick.